Hello, today I'm going to show you how to tow start your Audi 4S4 Avant car if there is, of course, a manual gearbox. Because our vehicle must be fitted with a manual gearbox. If our vehicle has a petrol engine, it must not be towed further than 50 meters. So if we are going to make a tow start and we attach the tow rope to the tow bar only to the towing anchors, providing for the purpose. And the other thing is, if we are at a hill on the upper side, we can make a tow starting without another car. This is possible too, of course. So fact is, the car has to move because there should be a movable option. A movable rotation is initiated, and then the engine will be movable too if we are going to release the clutch. Okay, for that we engage the second or the third gear before we are moving off, and we press the clutch and hold the pedal down. We switch on the ignition for the power supply. Once both vehicles are moving, or our vehicle is moving as well, we release the clutch. As soon as the engine starts, we press the clutch pedal and put the gear level in neutral while the car is and the engine is moving, of course, or running. When tow starting the vehicle, we do not tow it further than 50 meters, otherwise the catalytic converter could be damaged. This is a big thing behind this too, but then you can move again and move away by yourself. Okay, so get down the clutch, move your car, release the clutch while you shift it in gear number 2 or 3, or number 4 may be possible too, and then it will be run immediately after you release the clutch. You're back in business on the street, maybe because your battery power is too low to start your engine, for example, or other props are initiated with that car. That's how to start your car in a tow start movement. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!